Week 1 focuses on cleansing and reducing bloating through specific vegetables. Cucumber, celery, zucchini, and spinach are primary vegetables that aid in digestion and reduce water retention. Warm water with lemon and cucumber slices leverages hydrating and detoxifying properties. Increasing fiber intake and burning fat are key objectives. Broccoli, kale, carrots, and beets support the gut microbiome and increase satiety. Incorporating vegetables into meals such as a carrot-apple smoothie with chia seeds increases fiber intake and aids in fat absorption reduction. Certain vegetables, including cauliflower, cabbage, bell peppers, and tomatoes, stimulate metabolism and promote fat breakdown. Consuming dinner earlier in the evening can help prevent the buildup of belly fat. Tomato detox juice with basil and cauliflower rice with sautéed peppers are examples of metabolism-boosting meals.